already know, my name is Priya, and basically I'm from UP, and currently I staying in Noida. And about my qualifications, I have done BSc IT in graduation, and recently I have completed my Masters of Business Administration in the field of human resource and marketing. That's all about me, I think.
Yeah. Okay. About myself, my name is Prasanna Kumar. I'm working for an US-based IT company as a director public relations. And also before that, my experience also related to human resources. I have solid hands-on into human resource. That's the reason I started recently a channel which is very helpful for upcoming IT professionals and also who is very interesting and enthusiasm to learn the communication skills. That's my target of my channel. Channel name is Speak English with PK.
So which kind of content you are going to post there?
Same thing, like I need to interact with the people, conversation, those kind of videos I'm going to publish into my channel. Anyways, along with talking to the people, my intention is to give a suggestions to the people.
Okay, that's great.
Why? Because I don't think like I'm very excellent in communication, but with my experience, I can share my knowledge with other people who are currently like interested to learn the communication.
That's great. That's great idea. You're doing great job. So, would you mind me to tell like what's your future plan? Why you want to be good speaker like you are actually? But what is the reason behind it to create this channel? And also, you're speaking well actually because you have been working in human resource field since very long time. So it's very obvious that you are good at public speaking and everything. So what is your motivation and what is your motive to create that channel and having conversation with people?
Motivation is very clear, Priya. Little bit of time daily after my office hours, so that I want to be use that particular leisure time to be more productive, which can be useful for the society. Why? Because as you know, we are into same community, right? Human resource community. We day in and day out recruiting the people, talking them, screening them, and motivating them, counsel them. A lot of these kind of human resource activities we are doing right now, right? Those are all like our job responsibilities. And also one of the major job responsibility is to take care of training and development. Training in the sense, not only in the technology side, we are also training them into communication. Communication in the sense, I'm talking from the corporate communication.
Right.
We need to educate them into corporate communication. This particular channel motto is to help these kind of tips. Not only talking like communication, we are also helping them to face the interview.
That's great. That's great idea. I really love this concept actually because I also just searching some kind of channel where I can improve myself by watching videos and having conversation with people. And and it's very fortunate that I am having conversation with you because you are in same department, and it's really I can say it's really appreciate me that you approaches me to having conversation because I don't know. Actually, I read your messages that okay, you are also working in human resource field, but I didn't care about it actually. So it's like it's really appreciable for me that we are having conversation and we can talk in future as well, because it's really will be better for me actually, not for you, but yeah, for me it will be better. Yeah. Okay, so you have been working in HR departments in a very long time, as you told. So centric, how I can be successful human resource manager and how can I grow my career?
Yes. Human resource career in the sense, I started my journey after completion of my MBA and specialized in human resources. Before that, I completed my BCom and also I completed my BL. Those background is definitely useful for my like, as you know, like human resource career. I started my journey as usual, like everyone is starting their journey like HR executive or junior HR executive. Slowly, I tried to mingle with the team and I maintain very good relationship with my immediate reporting manager. And I used to extract some experiences sharing. And also, right from the day one, I'm a good learner. And
Okay,
also,
that's
I'm a good observer. See, communication also, I used to tell to most of my recruitees, communication starts with our resume itself. My background is related to my mother tongue. I studied up to like intermediate. We call it as a intermediate, and nationally it is called as a +2, right? And I started up to intermediate in my mother tongue language only. That is nothing but like Telugu. So that,
Telugu. Okay.
yeah, Telugu. My mother tongue is Telugu. Then I was not good in communication, but my goal is to improve the communication. Why? Because I am passionate talking to the people, helping them, those kind of activities right from my childhood. I love that. That's
Okay.
the reason I focused more on into communication skills. I created the environment. Why? Because I used to talk to the people. They used to laugh also at me, even though I used to talk to them. When I got, then slowly I
Right.
practiced improving my communication, sitting like at least daily 1 hour, improving the communication skills, reading the books outside, reading the newspaper outside. These are all practices I have done. Definitely, with the initial stage of my career, that is definitely a plus point for me. Why? Because see, everyone is thinking that they need to improve their communication skills. Very frankly with you, they are not spending their time. They need to spend time, right? Then only they are going
Right.
to
Right.
improve their communication skills. Some people
Hmm.
maybe, I've seen a lot of people, their
Okay.
background is
Carry on.
very strong, but academic wise, they are very strong. Communication wise, they are lagging. Especially, I find
The
and
same thing happened with with me and with people who belong to UP and Bihar as well. So I don't think that it is our mother uh, tongue and MTI issues having, I have as well. But I don't care about it because I think the mm, what is important is you need to have confidence and you need to understand the things. But sometimes people say that your pronunciation is not that good, but yeah, I'm just learning and people are learning as well because we are not native speaker, so it's happened very natural actually. But it will take time, as you said, like people think that okay, we need to have good communication skill, we need to have good command over English, but people don't say, people don't practice. So if you want to be a good driver, then definitely you have to have seat of driving, you have to practice with that. So actually we have good ways of English because we have been having subject of English in our school time as well. But what we need to do, actually we need to work out with our tongue actually, because our tongue only they understand our native language, Hindi language. So that's why it is really tough to us to speak in English. So that is what's happened, and we need to understand, and people need to understand that we are Indian. So it happens in natural. So we don't need to, I don't think that we need to, embarrass about it, because it is our native language, and we should proud on Hindi as well.
correct.
But what we can do, because English is just going to be it's really need of the heart and business language, and it's official language as well, so we need to know the English as well. So that's why it's happening. That's why I also started posting my conventional video, because it's motivate me, and people will also will be inspired by our watching videos, because they can see our journey and they can think that okay they are doing, so how means we can do as well. So that's what I thought, and I just started posting my video over there. So it's motivate me a lot actually, because when people mailing you, messaging you that okay I just wanted to have conversation with you, so it's really good kind of experience. So, and it is just like fun, we can say. It's not
Correct.
like very hard and things. So actually I'm just loving this concept.
Yeah, it's good.
So you have you given a good tricks and tips, and which kind of tips you can give me that actually I'm working in the field of human resource, that is mixed kind of profile actually. It is like you can say 50% recruitment part over there and 50% HR journalist part. So which part and which function I should carry forward in my career? Can you suggest me for that?
No, what's your interest? See what kind of domain you are into. You told me you are into human resource, but what's the domain? Is it like IT or non-IT?
It is actually they deal in multiple field actually. They deals in non-IT and IT as well, but it is not core IT. They're not hire core IT profiles people. Like I have been handling profile like blogger, email marketing, SEO marketing, and digital marketing executives like that. Yes.
Okay. See, it depends. Like suppose it depends upon your interest. Suppose you are interested to go to a journalist kind of role, you can go to that particular role. Or if you are, some people may be strong in written communication or employee loss and convincing power, psychological testing power, those kind of people, they can choose a core HR area. Believe
Okay.
me, core HR is also very interesting. Why? Because you need,
Right.
yeah, your daily job is day in and day out. You need to talk to the people. If you love to talk to
Yes.
the people, you choose a core HR side. Core HR in the sense you will have right from the recruitment to exit of the employee.
Yes. It was a process of whole employee life cycle actually.
Correct.
So so I think you have also done with the thing, recruitment and payroll processing and handling job portals and handling employee grievance, team handling, making reports of HR and everything, right?
Correct. But
Okay,
see, lot of
that's
people value added this discussion. Why? Because some people maybe upcoming HRs are going to view this particular conversation. It should be something value added to them, right?
right. It's I think it's the mindset of people that human resource person is only for the sake of recruitment, only hiring manpower in the organization, but it's really vast profile. If I say it's really mixed kind of profile, HR can have conversation and HR can provide training to the employees, and HR can hire people, HR can train them, HR can make salary of them, means HR can do anything, so it's like a very vast profile, and we have lots of responsibility to being HR person in organization as well, because people and employee always point out that HR not doing anything, HR is just sitting. So it is really because we have that kind of burden that anyone can pick out, anyone can ask any question, what are you doing here, what are you doing here, you're just sitting everywhere, but we have some sort of mind that we need to having conversation with top management, then employees, with company officers as well, and we need to we are just interface in between, and everyone questioning and answering. HR is doing this, HR is doing this. So
Correct. Correct.
I just love this profile actually,
Yeah.
So yeah.
And
What's
Priya,
your
apart from HR, can I ask you some questions?
okay, yeah.
What are your interests apart from doing HR job?
My interest, I just love videos. Earlier I used to make TikTok video, and I love dancing. I love create content on internet, and I make real videos. I love to make real videos. I love to, uh, I just love to make videos on trending things. Like if anything trend actually, so I just make video on that, on Bollywood songs, on Bollywood comedy maybe. So it's like I just love video and I just love internet. You can say
Oh,
yes.
okay, okay, that's good. Related to my hobbies, I love traveling. Why? Because my
Oh
goal
my
is in another coming like 10 years, at least I want to cover major countries, starting from US, Canada, Europe, Singapore, these kind of countries, Africa, these kind of countries I want to visit.
Okay, you want to visit, like you have well planned for that. Have you been there ever?
No,
Not
that's
yet.
my goal, not at. Why? Because I traveled a lot in within country.
Okay.
I have not done any
So
international travel.
okay. So are you going to plan for that in the near future in
Yeah, yeah.
2021, 22?
I'm planning after the pandemic, COVID pandemic. Why?
Yes.
Because I thought of doing like 2 years back. Due to pandemic, I'm unable to do that. At least starting from like Singapore, Thailand, these countries are very near to us, right? Sri Lanka.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
And apart from like
Oh,
traveling, I'm also interested to sing the songs. You like
oh my
dancing.
God.
I love to
Can
dance,
you
but
sing
I don't
here?
know dancing. Sorry.
It's a very crucial part of HR. Okay, so can I ask you about your family? Who is your family?
Yeah, families. My father was a retired State Bank employee, and
Okay.
my mother is a housemaker, and my wife
Hmm.
is also a homemaker. My
Mm-hmm.
son, he is currently preparing for IIT. Most
Oh
probably
my God.
this year he is going to join for IIT, or he is targeting for at least NITs.
That's great.
What
That's
about
great.
your family?
Okay, talking about my family. So, my parents, my father is in a private sector, and my mother is, social worker, you can say, and also say homemaker. And they live in a village in my hometown. And apart from my parents, I have my elder sister. She got married, and I have a younger brother, and I am in middle. We have 5 members in my family.
Can I
Yes.
correct you something if you don't mind?
Yeah, of course you can.
See, some areas you are coming with your mother tongue influence. You need to
Yes.
say she, not she.
Yes.
She.
Yeah, I have problem with so and yes and SH actually. I just improving. Maybe in future it will be improved, but now I'm just struggling with this. There are so many
Correct.
people who are saying me that you have some mother tongue influence, so it's all right. I
No,
can improve in future because I'm
what I
learning
suggest you, watch lot of like English like movies without subtitles.
without subtitles.
Subtitles. Why?
With
Because
or without?
without.
Okay, okay, I will do
That-
that.
yeah, why? Because if you watch English movies without subtitles, your focus may be more on into understanding the dialogues.
Yes, maybe it will work for me. Definitely, I will do that. Hmm. And now what I can see, I observe so far about you. You have some sort of tongue accent of US because you have working with US based company, so that's why you have some sort of uh, tongue and accent from them. You are just adopted, I think. So it is really just I can say that you don't have kind of mother tongue and means you're not speaking like Indian, how we speak usually, I don't know why, because you have some sort of client, they belong to US. So maybe that
Yeah, you're right.
affect you.
See, why I
Hmm.
practice it like that. See, English is not our language, right? At least we need to try to speak like a native speakers. Say for example,
Yes.
say for example, your mother tongue is Hindi, right? If I am going to talk to you in Hindi, in your like accent, you will feel more happy, right? That's the reason English is not our mother tongue. We need to imitate like them. That's the reason
Yes.
I suggested you to go for watching like English
Hmm.
movies. If possible, try
Right.
to sing English songs.
Okay, I will do that. Sometimes I listen, but and again, as a human being, we just procrastinate everything. So yeah, it's happened with me as well. Hmm.
Correct, correct. Okay, Priya, I
Okay,
think like
so
we are running out of time, right?
yes, so I think we need to say bye, and we will have some other conversation some other day as well.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay, Priya.
Okay,
Thank
it
you
was
so much.
nice meeting to you.
Same
Bye
here.
bye.
Bye.
Thank you.